Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing a new Leetcode problem number 128, longest consecutive sequence. In this problem, we have given a unsorted array and we have to return the largest length of sorted consecutive element sequence. Means we have to return the consecutive elements that are present in our array. Like here 1, 2, 3 and 4 are consecutive. So we return the length of it. Therefore, so our answer is 4. Here we can return 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total 9. So we return 9. And here is 0, 1, 2. All three are in consecutive. Consecutive means one adding 1 in every number. There is 3. Let's see the solution of this. Here is our array. It is our first example. The first solution that is comes is we can sort our array like we sort 100, like we sort our array and we check one by one if nums of I i- is equals to nums of I plus 1 and plus 1, like this. If nums of I'll increase size. If nums of I plus 1 equal nums of I plus 1. If this is a scenario, then we increase our count, like we increase our count and move forward. Like here we are. So nums of I, that is this, it is nums of I plus 1, it is 2. Then nums of I plus 1, that is 2. So they both 2 equals 2. Yes, this is, so we increase our count. Then our pointer come over here. Then we again do nums of I, that is 2 plus 1, that is equals to nums of I plus 1, that is 3. So it is equal, yes. So then we increase our count to 2. Then our pointers come over here. And nums of I plus 1, that is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Then nums of I plus 1, that is 4. So 4 equals 4. Yeah. Then again we increase our counter like this. We do this. But in question they mentioned we have, let's see over here. We do sorting over here and sorting time complexities and log n. But here we have to implement our solution of log n time. So for this we have to use some data structure over here. So we use set over there to solve it. Let's see our set code. I erase this. Then first we take a set. Elements are, first we insert these all elements in set, like the all elements come like this in our set. I'll increase size. So this is our set. So over here. So this is our set. Then we check for this element. If first we check from, we use set because set has a operation that is set dot contains. It is a off on operation. So we use set over here. That's why we use set. Then first we are on enter is zero, on one. Then we check uh, if we- then we check over here if set dot contains nums of I. If set dot contains one, then we use a while loop. If set dot contains nums of I, that is one, then we use while loop to check further consecutive numbers. Like then we check if again copy this. Again we check if set dot contains nums of I plus j, uh, and j is one. J is starting from zero. Why zero? Because we starting from I equals to one. So first we it check is nums of I, that is one is present in set. It is present. Then we go in while loop. Then it is nums of I plus one plus j because of we are at one index. We don't know 2, 3, 4 exist or not in our array. So for this, we increase j pointer to increase one. Because why one? Because we have to see our consecutive numbers. So that's why we take one, then we increase j2 plus one, then increase j2 plus two. Like one plus one is two, one plus two is three. Like this, we increase j. So if j, we increase our counter variable, and we increase also our j enter. So this is the approach we use. Let's see the code. So this is our code. First we create our set and insert all the elements and takes the maximum variable to check our count is. We iterate on set, not in nums, because set has a property. If there are in set, I will take example. I- Assume if this is our nums and we have again one. So this one again check means we check one on over here. So we know ones have four. It is four consecutive numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't want to check again that 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So that is a set property that set remove duplicates. So set remove this. That's why we iterate on set. Then if set doesn't contain sums of I minus 1, that is, wait, I will tell. That is, suppose we are on 2. Then we check if 2 minus 1, that is 1, exists or not. If 2 is exist in our, if 2 1 is exist in our set, then we go for 1, because 1 is already calculated though, so we don't calculate for 2. That's why we do nums minus 1 is not in set. Here I write also only start if nums is a beginning sequence. Means nums is 1, then we check for this. If nums is not beginning, then we don't check. Then we take current number, and we increase our count. This is while loop that I was talking later. And we take our max variable to increase, check the count and max. And in the end, we return max. Let's submit this code. code run successfully. If you have doubt, then comment out. Thank you.